our team comprises of about 20 different individuals. A couple of them are obviously back office, like in sales or whatnot, but the bulk of our staff composes of help desk technicians at various different levels. We have levels going from one all the way up to senior level technicians that are considered three, and these technicians will remote into your machine, handle those types of problems that you may have. If they can't do it remotely, for example, and we need to come on site, we have a dedicated group of individuals that also will be dispatched out to our client locations, and that they can handle the physical on-site needs that are needed. So moving equipment, visually inspecting equipment that may have some problems, just doing things that are, if the internet's down at that location, obviously, then we can't remote in. So things like that. And then we also have a team of individuals that do project work. And so this encompasses like building out a new server or moving from an on-site server to a cloud system, those types of activities. So yeah, we have a plethora of people that we're employed to do all types of tasks. And of course, if one individual doesn't know how to do something, then we can escalate or talk to somebody else within the organization that, that does have that expertise that's needed.